So it makes a pretty big beam of light. And like I said, that's directly in front of me. And if you zoom all the way out, and that's pretty much lighting up the ground right in front of me. That's what it looks like when you hit the ground with it. There we go. This is my front yard. That's probably, I don't know exactly how far that is, but I'm gonna say that's probably about 100 yards from here to the woods over there. And like I said, this is right in front of me, minus my porch light. This is my driveway, that's how bright it is. That's my truck. So yeah, that's pretty bright flashlight. But yeah, to the woods. So yeah, that's pretty bright, guys.